Alright friends, the following problems are all about graphs. So it's about whether or not you can read bar graphs, pictographs, line plots, anything like that. So let's take a look at this first problem. Alright, I want you to try this out on your own. So this is about Candy's dog walking business, and it gives you the dates for June, May, April, and March. So the question reads, how many more dogs did Candy walk in June than in April? So right now, I'd like you to pause this video and go ahead and solve and see if you're correct. Good luck. Alright, we are back. So, the first piece of information I want to look at is what months I even care about. Well, I know I need to care about June. That's in the problem. And I know I need to care about April. So right now I have June and I have April. I don't care about May, and I don't care about March. So let's look at June. June ends right about here. How many dogs did Candy walk in June? Well, it's somewhere, if you draw this line down, between 40 and 50. So what is halfway between 40 and 50? Well, it's just 45. I'm going to jot that down right here. And let's look at April. April is right here. Okay, it's halfway between 20 and 30. And what is halfway between 20 and 30? Good, it's 25. So if I'm comparing how many more dogs Candy walked in June than April, well, that operation is subtraction. 45 minus 25 would be 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 tenths minus 2 tenths is 20. So the correct answer was D, 20. Alright, next problem. So, instead of a bar graph, now we have a table. The table below shows the number of students in 5 school clubs. So the question asks, which club has 28 fewer members than the drama club? Go ahead and pause this video and see if you can figure out which club has 28 fewer members than the drama club. Good luck. Alright, we are back. So the first thing I want to identify is how many students are even in the drama club. Okay, so I'm going to highlight this box right here. Drama club equals 71 students. So the easiest thing I can do is I need to figure out what has 71 fewer. Fewer, I know, means to subtract, means minus. So 71 minus 28. What's 1 minus 8? Oh, we can't do that. So 7 tens becomes 6 tens, and 1 1 becomes 11 ones. 11 minus 8, 3. And 6 tens minus 2 tens is 4 tens. So now we have an answer of 43. But that's not my answer. It's asking about which club. So all I have to do is go down the line and see which one has 43. There it is. Book club. So the answer was C, book club. Check your work. Alright, this next problem is fairly easy, so let's go ahead and take a look. So we have a bar graph. According to the chart below, which scholar read the most books? Pause this video now and decide which scholar read the most books. Good luck. Alright, we are back. So let's take a look. We have Reggie, who read 3. Halfway between 2 and 4 is 3. We have Sharita, that's a name, that read 9. We have Jason that read in between 6 and 8, so that's 7. And we have Kevin who read 2. So clearly the winner right here is Sharita. And I didn't even really have to use my numbers. I could just see that Sharita's bar right here is the biggest one. Easy as that. Alright, next problem. So the next problem deals with something that we call a pictograph. A pictograph is spelled like this, pictograph. And the main thing about pictographs is that it has little pictures, like stars. Sometimes you might see a smiley face. Sometimes you might see like a bicycle wheel. This is a bicycle wheel to you. And each of those represents a certain number. So in this key, it's very important to note that 1 star equals 2 scholars. So let's look at the question. How many scholars are there in all in Ms. Zalkin's class? So I would like you to go ahead and figure that out using the key. Good luck. Alright, we are back. So We know that each star, this little star right here, I'm going to try to color it in, equals 2 scholars. So this star is 2. So let's count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and 22. All right. If you got this answer, you only counted the stars. You didn't pay attention to the fact that 1 star equals 2 scholars. So here you only counted the stars. All right, now that we've looked at some pictographs, we have a little clearer idea what to do. The number of skateboards sold at a store during a 3-month period is shown on the pictograph below. There's that word, pictograph. How many fewer skateboards were sold in April than in June? And we have our key right here. Put a star next to it. That tells us 1 skateboard right here equals 10 skateboards. Pause this video and figure out how many fewer skateboards were sold in April than June. Good luck. All right, we are back. So, clearly from the problem, I can tell that we only care about a couple of months. We only care about April and June. So I'm going to cross out, circle April and June. I'm going to cross out May. May, I don't care about. So first, let's figure out how many skateboards are sold in April. 10, 20, 30. Remember, each of these is 10, worth 10. So in April, they sold 30. In June, they sold 10, 20, 30, 40. They sold 40. So if I'm comparing June to April, what operation do I do? Well, that's pretty simple. I subtract. 40 minus 30 is 10. Easy peasy. If you got the answer of 1, you only counted the skateboards. We went over this. That's not what you're supposed to do. Exclamation point. All right, some of you may have seen this one before, so you should get this right. The bar graph below shows the weather in Zoe's town for the month of April. How many more days are sunny than cloudy? Pause this video now and solve. How many more days are sunny than cloudy? Good luck. All right, we are back. So, as always, it's important to look at the question and tell which days we care about. So I can tell. I know about sunny, cloudy. Rainy, you're lame and we don't care about you. All right, let's look at cloudy. How many days are cloudy? Let's look. It's somewhere between 4 and 6, halfway. So the number halfway between 4 and 6 must be 5. Next, let's look at sunny. Sunny is right on the line. That's pretty easy. It's right on the line that says 14. So if I'm comparing how many more days that were sunny than cloudy, what operation am I doing? I'm just subtracting. 14 minus 5 will be, well, 9. Easy as that.